So, a lot of people ask me my input on bullying, and this is what this video is about. So, my opinion really is that bullies suck. And anyone who's bullied, just know there's someone out there who will listen. There's someone out there that just wants you to stay strong. There's someone out there that just wants you to be happy. And these people who make you feel like this, just forget them. Because there's always going to be those people that do that to you. But then there's the people that really care about you, and you don't want to lose them. Those will be the people that are there for you. Just remember to stay strong. You're beautiful. And that every day of your life is worth it. Because those days that you just want to give up, there's always somebody out there that wants you to keep going. And just remember, you're beautiful. Always keep your head high. Never let your crown fall. Love what you do, and just live your life. Just stay strong, because if you give up, it's just an end to a terrible situation. But if you can live through it, life will just give you so much more to offer. Just remember that. I'm out.